In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yahoo Mail, your full beginner's guide in just 5 minutes. So whether you're completely new to Yahoo Mail or just need a quick refresher, this video is for you. Let's start by getting you into Yahoo Mail. First, you'll need to go to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Yahoo Mail, or you can click a direct link if you have one. Once you're there, you'll see the sign-in screen where you'll enter your username. Remember, your username typically consists of the first part of your Yahoo email address without the yahoo.com part. Once you've entered your username, click on Next. It's a pretty straightforward process so far. Now, the next prompt will ask for your password. Make sure to enter it carefully, keeping an eye on uppercase letters, numbers, or any special characters. Once you've got your password in, go ahead and click Next again, and you should be logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Yahoo Mail interface. Here you'll see your inbox displayed front and center. The inbox is where all your incoming messages appear, so it's the heart of your email experience. On the left hand side, you'll find folders like Sent, Drafts, Spam, and Trash. These are your default folders, but if you need to, you can create custom folders to organize your emails better. At the top of the page, you'll find the toolbar. This contains important options like Compose, Search, and Settings. This bar is your gateway to creating new emails, managing your settings, and also finding specific emails through the search function. Directly beneath this toolbar, you'll see the message list. This list displays all emails in the folder you're currently viewing, and by clicking on any email here, you can view it in detail in the email preview pane on the right. Now, sending an email is easy. On the toolbar, click on Compose. This opens a new email window where you can type in the recipient's email address in the To field. Don't forget to add a subject line to give your recipient a heads up about what your email is about. With that done, you can now type your message in the body section of the email. Once you're happy with your email, click on Send, and off it goes. To read your emails, simply click on the subject line of any email in your inbox. If you wish to reply to an email, use the Reply button, which gives you the option to reply to just the sender or to everyone included in the email thread with Reply All. Should you need to forward an email, click on Forward and enter the recipient's email address. That's your crash course in using Yahoo Mail. With these basics, you're all set to navigate your inbox, send and receive emails with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to rewind if you need a recap.